Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about ZOTHAirdrop guys. So you don't need to spend any of your money, and if you participate in this airdrop you're actually participating in Berachainairdrop also, because their testnet has been built on Berachain only, and we'll be able to complete all the tasks and gather so much XP for the ZOTH, so that we'll be able to eligible for the future airdrop from their ZOTH side also. And by doing all these things you are increasing transaction in Berachain also, so that you will be eligible for the Berachainairdrop too. Okay, so in this video we are going to see about all these things only. And Zoth have actually raised the funding of $2.5 million in the funding round from Wormhole and Blockchain and multiple firms. Okay, in Singularity Duo also involved here. So in this video we are going to see about this only guys, how to participate in the Zoth airdrop. Okay, at the same time if you complete all the tasks you will be eligible for the Berachainairdrop also. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys. And many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button guys, so it will be below here. So just click the like button and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must follow me here also. Okay, so guys, if you want to try Berachainairdrop, so just come inside my channel and type Bera, you'll be able to find the Berachainairdrop videos. Okay, so I'll be leaving all this video link in the description also. Just watch and try this also, because it could be a huge free airdrop, a huge testnet airdrop, okay, in the coming future. So do not miss Berachainairdrop guys. So with that being said, you'll be able to find all the link in the description. So once you click on the link, it will take you here. The first thing you need to connect your wallet. Okay, so just connect your wallet, and then you need to have some Bera in your wallet. Okay, so if you don't have any Bera in your wallet, all you have to do is just copy your address and come to the faucet page and just paste your address and click on drip tokens, and then you'll be receiving some Bera in your wallet within 2 minutes. Okay, so after you receive Bera, you need to have honey token in order to provide there. Okay, so just come here and click on swap and then connect your wallet. First just click on connect wallet and then click on MetaMask, and then MetaMask will get connected. And here choose Bera, and then here you need to choose honey. Okay, so minimum you can, so 0.1 Bera will be giving you 20 honey token. Okay, so just click on review, and if you click on swap, it will be swapped. Okay, so MetaMask will pop up, and just click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, the transaction will be done. Okay, so finally you will be receiving the honey token in your wallet. Okay, so even if it's just $1 worth of honey token, it's fine. Okay, so once you receive the honey token in your wallet, so it will take some time, then only it will be done. So guys, once the transaction are done, you will be receiving the honey token in your wallet. So once you receive the honey token, so come back to this platform. Okay, so the first thing we need to connect our wallet. Just click on sign and MetaMask will pop up. So just scroll down and click on sign in, and then your wallet will get connected here. Okay, so once your wallet got connected, just click on this one and choose Berachaintestnet. So after you choose that, here you click on the select coin and select the honey token, and I'm going to deposit $100 worth of honey. Okay, so just click on deposit, and then we need to wait for a while, and then MetaMask will pop up. We just need to click on next and click on approve, and once you click on approve, then it will ask for the confirmation. We just need to do the confirm. Okay, so guys, you might ask me how I'm having so much of honey token and all, because I've been doing this Berachain activities since so many month. Okay, so that's why I'm having this much honey token and all. And if you are watching my videos continuously, even you might be having some honey token and Bera and all in your wallet. Okay, so just click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, the transaction will be done. So here you can see guys, deposit successfully done. You have deposited $100 worth of honey. Okay, so just close it. So once you deposit, you will be able to see your transaction here. Okay, so if you want, you can even withdraw it, so but I'm not going to do that one. So after you deposit, what you need to do is, here you can see social task is there. Okay, so just click on the social task, and then finally here you can see guys, we'll be able to refer and earn. Okay, so by entering the code code here will be able to unlock rewards. Okay, so I'll be leaving my code in the description, so just give the code and click on continue, and you don't have to necessarily use my code. Okay, so you can use, if you have the code you can use it, it's not necessarily use my code. And what I'm going to do, I'll be creating one post for sharing your codes. Okay, so there you'll be able to share your referral codes, and then people might be able to use your code also for you. Okay, so it will be available inside my Twitter account. So like this you'll be able to give your referral code here. Okay, and first thing we need to visit the page. Just go and visit the page and come back here, then it will be getting completed. You'll be receiving 10 XP. Okay, and now we need to connect the Discord account. Just click on connect Discord, and then Discord account will open. We just need to give authorize, and even this will be done. And now you can see it got done. Okay, so now just click on join server, and then it will take you to their Discord account. Just click on accept invite and click on this rocket symbol, and then it will get verified. Okay, so just after you click on the rocket symbol, we need to answer here. So just click here to answer. So once you complete the captcha, so here you can see we successfully joined here. So after you join here, come back here and click on verify. Even this will be done. Okay, so here you can see guys, you are actually receiving all the XPs. Okay, and now we need to connect our Twitter account. Just click on connect Twitter account, it will take you here. So just give authorize app, and once you give authorize, again this task will be done. Okay, and now we need to follow them. Just click on follow Zoth, and then it will take you to the Twitter account. Just follow them and come back here, and we need to verify .honey domain via ZNS connect. Okay, so just click on this one, it will take you here, and here we need to connect our wallet. Just click on connect and click on MetaMask, and then MetaMask will pop up. So just click on next and click on connect, and your wallet got connected. Okay, and type some name. I'm going to type chennaimarketer, and click on search, and you'll be able to find it here. Okay, so just click on add it to cart, and here you'll be able to see your thing. Okay, so just click on checkout, and MetaMask will pop up. We just need to scroll down and click on confirm, and your order will get purchased. Okay, so now here you can see guys, my domain, it will show down, so it got successfully purchased. So once you purchase it, just come back here again and click on verify, and then it will be done. Okay, so 200 XP you got for this one, and now we need to verify our domain via names. Okay, so just click here, and then it will take you here. So once you come here, actually we have completed this task previously also. Just click on connect and click on MetaMask, and then MetaMask will pop up. Connect your wallet and type some name. Okay, and then give something like some emojis and all, and then we'll be able to click on register, and then just click on register, and then MetaMask will pop up, and just click on confirm, and then it will get registered. Okay, so once you click on confirm, it will be registered, and after it got registered, we'll be able to see your name in the registered name here. Okay, so once you register your Bera name, just come back here and click on verify, and even this will be done. And then we need to complete this one is optional. The reason is, if you want to complete this task, you gotta buy the NFT. Okay, so the floor price for the NFT is literally 0.29 Ethereum. Okay, so I would not recommend you to do this one, since it's like, investment based. Come back here and skip this one, and here you can see vote for Zoth on Ready Player 1 by BitLayer. Okay, so just click on BitLayer, and then it will take you here, and just click on connect wallet, click on MetaMask, and connect your wallet. Okay, so click on next and click on connect. Your wallet will get connected. Okay, and click on approve and switch the network. Click on login, and just click on sign and click on sign and give authorize. So just click on got it. So once you registered here, and what we have to do is just type on ZOTH. Okay, and here you'll be able to find the Zoth and click on vote. No, so again come back here, so we'll be able to get the point May 10th. Okay, so May 10th only you'll be able to get this 50 XP, okay, and finally you'll be able to join in the Telegram, but it is coming soon, and this is how we'll be able to complete all the tasks and get the XP here, okay. So here in the leaderboard you'll be able to see your points and where you stays, and then we'll be able to get the badges, okay. So currently you can see I'm having social ninja badges, and then so if we complete more tasks in the future we'll be able to get these batches also, okay. So guys, don't forget to deposit some money here, okay. So here you need to do it. So in case if you don't have Bera, just click on faucet, and then like here just go give your address and click on drip tokens. You will receive some Bera. So go swap for honey token. Once you got the honey, just come back here and choose the honey, okay. Before that, choose the Berachain and choose the honey and try to deposit how much ever Bera you have, okay. And then we need to in the Berachain RTO network, so choose the network correctly and then deposit, okay. So pretty much that's it guys for this airdrop. So let's wait and see. Currently we participated in 2 airdrop, okay. So one is Zoth and another one is Berachain, okay. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.